To get to your absence calendar, select Calendar from the menu toolbar at the top of the page, or select the leave items in your overview. Here, you'll see all your employees' absences color-coded by absence type. Filter absences by type to see why your employees have been off this month. Or by team to see specific members who have past or upcoming leave. Whenever an employee requests time off, you'll be instantly notified. The Pending Requests tab will help you decide whether to approve or decline leave by showing conflicts between staff. For your variable employees, review the leave amount to reflect the hours missed from work. Fixed employees' leave amount will automatically be calculated based on their working time pattern. If you decline a leave request, you'll need to state a reason why. The calendar will instantly display newly approved leave. If you ever have a shutdown or closure, you can easily add mandatory leave for your staff in one go. The shutdown will appear on the staff profiles, and annual leave will automatically be assigned to your fixed employees based on their working time patterns. Bright's Leave Management records the communication between employees and employers, helping businesses ditch their paper-based leave application processes.